Hello everyone, Esketit is a crowdlending platform where I've been investing for over 8 months. Currently, I have over €500 invested in Esketit, and I've earned €13 in interest, resulting in a 12% return. On the main page, you can see the total invested amount and the available funds, which are the funds not currently invested. So, if you want to withdraw your money from the platform, this is the sum that can be withdrawn. On this page, you can also track your investments. For instance, I have €320 in loans without any delays and €20 in loans with less than 15 days of delay. In any case, Esketit provides a 60-day buyback guarantee, so you should never have delays exceeding 60 days. You can observe that I have no delays of more than 60 days. There are various ways to invest on Esketit, and I'll start by introducing manual investment. We go to manual investment, and as you can see, there are currently no loans available in the primary market. The primary market is where credit companies offer you to invest. There is also a secondary market. Be cautious on the secondary market, as many people try to resell their loans with a markup of 2%, making it rare for it to be worthwhile to buy. As you can see, you really need to be careful before purchasing loans on the secondary market. Personally, I don't buy any loans on the secondary market. Fortunately, you can filter the prices here. For example, you can choose to see only loans without bonuses. Another way to invest on Esketit is to use automatic investment. For automatic investment, you just need to click here, and there are several ways to invest. First, there are predefined strategies, and you also have the option to create your own strategy. For example, I click here on Add. By setting up the automatic investment incorrectly, I let half of it lie dormant for several months. This platform has never experienced a default. It offers a 60-day buyback guarantee and a group guarantee on certain loans. However, it is relatively recent. Investing on Esketit is very simple, and it can be 100% automatic thanks to Auto Invest. To invest on Esketit, you must be at least 18 years old and have a bank account within the European Union or the European Economic Area. Esketit offers a unique feature that sets it apart from other P2P platforms. It is the only platform so far where it is possible to invest using cryptocurrencies in USDC or USDT. I think Esketit is a very interesting platform for those who want to diversify their investment in the Middle East. However, with the recent events between Palestine and Israel, I am not certain that it is the right time to invest in this region. There is a risk of contagion to Jordan. Few crowdlending platforms offer a secondary market, and in addition, there is an option for instant exit. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and see you soon for a new video.